Hello my friends, welcome to Internet Electronic channel, this is Uncle Misha. I just got this mysterious brick from Amazon. I know what I was ordering, but kinda look at this packaging, it's like, whoa. Absolutely unknown what the hell is that. But let's just try to open it and see what we got. Okay, well this magical packaging is even better than I usually package gifts in. What the heck? It's really why would, oh man, it wasn't shipped in this, it's just that's weird. Never seen this, like a blue whatever it is, and it's really hard to unpackage. Yikes. Give me a break, guys. And here we are. Here we are. This is what they do. My god, packaging inside the packaging. So we have those two things, and they are apparently batteries. So this is like big ass version of, let me show what I mean. So this is big ass version of this, alright? But with some very interesting distinction. It can be charged via USB-C, which is kind of cool. So probably the battery contains like a battery contraption or battery like volume is like this, and the rest of this electronic somewhere here, I believe. This thing's supposed to be rated for 7.4 volt, 9600 milliampere hours. So today we're gonna test that. Well, we have two of them. It even says it is full. So my goal today is to check how this thing works, alright, what the current it charges with, and to actually check the capacity to see if it's true to the claim. So for that we're gonna be using this USB-C thingy, and let's, oops, I need to remove this. And let's see what's. Alright, so it didn't switch to 8 volt, so it doing like right now actually 5 watts, like 5 volt, 1 amp roughly. So in the documentation they say it supports, I think it's supposed to be supporting, I might be mistaken. Let me do something else. I need to use different cable. This time we are using power supply which supports power delivery 20 watts. Let's see how that's gonna fly. A little bit more, but I don't see it going into like you know, 9 volt or something. It's going 5 volt, 1.5 amp, which is still not much really. Okay, let me try a different approach. Let me try this. Yeah, still the same story, it doesn't switch. So what I've done, I connected this straight in here, and this is actually worse. 0.6 amps when I do that. That sucks. I thought it's gonna charge faster than it does. Let me try again. So in order to have 20 watts here that they claim, this thing's supposed to be going like 4 amps, you know, roughly. And another try, so this is 65 watts power supply. Let's try this beast, because it's actually quite beastly. Let's find the outlet for it and go. Interesting. No 8 volt or 9 volt at all, but it has actually quite a power drop, voltage drop actually. But now it's going about 10 watts maximum. Yeah, well, still better. I don't know why there is a voltage drop. Of course, because the current is higher. Okay. So yeah, so 10 watts right now, nothing I can do about it. I don't want to switch manually into like a higher voltage mode, like 9 volt for example, because I think it's supposed to negotiate properly. Let me try direct. Obviously I won't know. And let me do the same story again, like this. It doesn't even power up. Wow. Interesting. No, it did power up. Yeah. Same 10 watts, nothing changing. Okay, so here we are. So this thing at the moment charging with the rate of 10 watts, not 20 watts as they suggest. Let me try another one. Who knows, maybe this one is defective or something. Also, I can, yeah, I cannot try because let's try the same thing again and see. Right now it's around 8 watts. And let's switch to this guy. This is Anchor 65 watts power supply. Yeah, it's around 10 watts. So yeah, no 9 volt charging. So it's the same behavior. And just for giggles, let's get my phone to see if this is not going crazy. Yeah, well, you see it switched immediately to 9 volt. Okay, so yeah, those guys need to be charged, and then I'm gonna discharge them using those outputs right here, and in order to check the capacity, and then I'm gonna discharge through this USB or through USB-C. Actually, this is in out, and this is just USB-A out. But obviously, the most important is to discharge it through here. Also, I forgot to mention that each of this guy coming with this USB-C cable, okay, and here's the current and voltage drop. This thing can handle. Okay, so this is obviously not the best cable ever, but it's for free. I guess it's gonna help you in the pinch. But I don't know where's my nice USB-C cable disappeared. Alright, so I have ran some tests, and what do you know? The capacity of this gentleman is crap. So it's 5500 milliampere hours at 7.4, like at the full charge to 6 volts. So definitely not what they claim, because they claim 9600 milliampere hours, which is obviously a lie. So this is like about the twice less capacity what they claim. And here are some more photos I have. So I did also discharge through USB-A. USB-A, and here is discharge results. Okay, so here's I just took a photo. So using Drog, this gentleman, I was able to squeeze 7.4 ampere hours, all right, or 36 watt hours of energy. So which is pretty much 2 times less than it's claimed here. Also, I was able to charge. I also captured the charge state. So here we are. So we put in, using this monitor, we put in 58 watt hours of energy. Obviously, we won't be able to squeeze out 71 watt hours of energy, especially given the losses. So this thing is certainly is a lie. So it has 2 times less capacity than they claim. Obviously, it's very nice to have a USB-A, USB-C and charge it through USB-C, but this guy, which is 4 times smaller, all right, roughly, right, has 2400 milliampere hours, and they claim it's 26. So this is pretty good. So I would like to, by the way, label all of these guys. I will do. It's my labeler to know the capacity of each individual batteries. So obviously the value of this is low, because if you find those guys cheap, I would not recommend to buy it if it's not on sale. That has to be very cheap to be on sale, to be worth the purchase. So yeah, I would say do not buy unless it's on a really good sale. But then imagine you can buy the same battery which is going to be like this yay size of the similar capacity, right? Why would you buy this beast? So yeah, it's heavy and it's not performant. So clearly not recommending. This is going back. So here's my advice to you. Anyways, if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment. I'll be happy to hear from you. Stay safe and ciao. Oh yeah, and don't forget to see new video.